Planet X system has entered our solar system, and many of you that follow a lot of the talk about this on YouTube about the Sun Observatory in Arizona being shut down. Many people had many different theories, but the facts are that this is what they were hiding right here. This is what they don't want the public to know, that this planetary system is going to cross through our solar system, that is. This photo here was taken in South America. A guy took a welding mask and put the lens in front of his camera, so he's able to get this shot here, this image. And this was taken back in, I believe it was 2016. And here's the image without the lens shield in front of it. So this system is here, and here in 2019 we're going to start seeing it. It doesn't matter how many chemtrails they spray up in the sky, we're gonna be able to start seeing this thing. And just to let you know, your governments all know about this. They're all quite aware of it, and when it's going to be here, they've been preparing for it for a long time. This is a mural in the Bank of America, and there's 3 images on here. I believe this image to the left would represent the tunnels that we all know that are being created throughout the whole countryside and probably many other parts in the world. They have nuclear type boring lasers that they can drill through hard solid rock. They can drill up to 7 miles a day with these things. I mean, they're big, massive machines. And so making these tunnels for them is nothing at all. But they've got all their tunnels ready, and I'm not quite sure what this middle image here is about. It looks like spirits, evil spirits or something being cast to the earth. I don't know. And then many have speculated on this one on to the right that this is in fact Donald Trump. Here to the right, there's the pyramid, the eclipse, there's Barack Obama, Donald Rumsfeld or whatever his name is, Hillary Clinton there on the left. So anyhow, these guys know all about this system. The Pope, all the world leaders know about this. They know it's coming. They know it's going to cause massive upheaval to the earth and the inhabitants of the earth. So basically, this is why you're seeing all the chemtrailing, because what chemtrailing mimics is what they found out is when like a super volcano has a major eruption, it disperses gases up into the ozone, and it basically blocks out the energy from the sun. And what's causing all this to happen, if you've seen the movie 2012, basically this planet Nibiru, Planet X, whatever you want to call it, solar system's coming through, great effects on our Earth and its atmosphere. So if they can spray the chemtrails up in the air, it'll cool the planet, and it'll cool down all these hot lava spots in the Ring of Fire, which is the volcanic ring that goes around the Earth. So that's why they're chemtrailing. It's not to kill everybody. It's to try and protect the Earth from the changes that are occurring because of the Planet X system coming through. That's why we're getting skies that look like this. Unbelievable looking, cartoon looking skies that are just really pretty but kind of scary at the same time. These are photos I took myself. I have not doctored these photos in any way, shape, or form. No filters or anything on them. This is what it actually looked like. Actually, it was more colorful the day I took this. So if you can believe it, this image here doesn't do what I saw with my own eyes justice. This is lacking a little bit of color. And that whole day, it's been doing this off and on for quite a while now, and I've been wondering what's making it do this, and I finally got the answers to that. I don't know if any of you remember, this is back in 26, and that's why we're getting these halos up in the sky around the sun. This planetary system that's coming through is having great effects on our sun, and in turn having great effects on the planets that rotate around our sun. So this is what's going on. Here's another picture I took. And this is how they're able to mask these bodies, these mass bodies out in space from your view, is through chemtrailing. And right here where these white circles are, the day I took this picture, you could see the faint outline of a round planetoid. And I mean, it was very obvious, but to somebody that's not paying attention, they would have just thought, it's kind of strange looking clouds, because the one on the bottom had a rainbow type effect to it. And here's another image of it right here. If you look right there, you can see that there's two bodies, planetoid bodies right there that I circled. And then this is another video of, see if you look, see the rainbow effect that the three planets right there in a line are having up there in the sky. So anyway, here's another view of it through the Solar Observatory. These images here were snuck out and were shared with people. You can see the planetary bodies right there, or the moons and the planet there by the cursor off to the left. And then obviously in this image to the right, you can see it. I mean, these things are not supposed to be there like that. So this was about 3 or 4 days ago. I got up and I was running some errands, and I saw two different suns coming up. And this right here is actual picture. Off to the right is Planet X, where the pink is around it right there, and then to the left is where our sun is. And I have a video. I took a video of it that day. So, and this is the video here. Sorry about the. See, there's our sun, and then to the left or right, excuse me, there's another one. There's too many suns, and this is why we're seeing all the UFO activities lately. I believe that's why we're seeing a lot of UFOs visiting and showing up, is because they know that this is about to come through our system, and the Earth's going to come very close to it, and they know it's going to be catastrophic. And I'm not trying to make this a fear porn video, but I do think that it's important that people take the time right now to evaluate what's really important, what they need to be doing, whether that be getting right spiritually with your Maker, the creator of the whole universe, whatever that may be. I would say that if you waste your time doing worldly things, it would be a great waste of time, because right now is the time. Right now is the time to make amends and let your family know that you love them. Hopefully this thing doesn't destroy the earth completely. I do know that it is going to have some great effects as far as asteroids and things like that, meteorites coming into the planet, hitting the planet. And we're not just talking about a few of them. There's going to be quite a few, because we're going to go through the tail, and the tail of this system is full of broken up pieces of meteorites and trash and all kinds of garbage. And the earth is going to rotate around the sun and go through the trail that this thing leaves, and it's not going to be good. So everybody's going to be looking for caves, looking for a place to hide from these meteorites and meteors hitting the earth. So if you know of a place where you could get your family to safety, my suggestion to you would be to start planning it out now. Get the things that you're going to need when this thing passes by, like your food and your first aid and stuff. And I would just stay close to one another over the next year or so, because I believe that this year 2019 is actually the year 2012. Now, if you know anything about the movie 2012, that's the year that in the movie that all that destruction happens to our planet. And I'm not going to get into why I believe it is that, but as we know, the controllers of this world like to use numerology, and this is how they communicate. This is how they all know where they're at. And if you take all of the numbers in the year 2019, add them all up, and you would have 12 total. So in a sense, that would be the year 2012. Just a theory of mine, not saying that's actually what it is, but I do believe that this is going to be the year 2019 is going to be the year that all this stuff happens. So anyway, I hope this video, like I said, it wasn't made to scare anyone, more to inform you and to let you know that yes, it is coming, and you do need to prepare yourself spiritually in all ways, whatever the case may be. God bless. I hope y'all find this video useful and share with all your friends, family, and thanks for watching.